Hey there, so if you're a Sony WF-C500, you have pairing problem, they're not connecting, the one thing that you can try, maybe it's going to like fix the issue for you. First thing first, you can try to reset them, and there is also a guide on how to hard reset. So when you're going to write it on YouTube, you're going to search for it and find it. Also, there is also a guide like this, is that you just want to, if you don't want to watch a video just like by this way, you want to press and hold the buttons on left and right units of the headset for about 15 seconds. So you're going to take them out of the case, press and hold both, and it's going to repeatedly flash twice in a row, and then indicators orange start flashing. When they're going to start flashing orange, you want to release the fingers within 5 seconds after the indicators start flashing. And then what you want to do, you want to press and hold the buttons on the left and right units of the headset within 10 seconds after the indicators on the headset light up. And then you just want to press hold and hold it again. And they're going to like flash blue 4 times. And this is how you're going to do it. And maybe it's going to fix the issue, maybe not. I'm just like really like to look for the guides, and have a great day and goodbye.